Good morning, everybody. I'm really happy to see you here. You are a lot. And I'm Alessandra. I'm a software developer, and I'm the face behind the Voxxed Trieste and the CrazyDev Friuli-Venezia Giulia. First, let me spend a few words about what is CrazyDev Friuli-Venezia Giulia. It's a project for software developers living and working here in this region, Friuli-Venezia Giulia. That is this small region in Italy. And Trieste is here in this small piece of land. So I wanted to show with this project what this territory has to offer to developers in terms of companies, events, and also communities. So a year and a half ago, I started collecting all of those information on a website, crazydev.it. And first, I contacted all the companies having a software department here to acquire their information. Then I started publishing every week a post on social media about the upcoming event, let's say, for developers here. And then I contacted all the communities here, and I put on the website. So the project then grew up, and I found out that there were a lot of stuff here. But there were one thing missing, and this was a big software developer conference. So this is why I wanted to do one. So let's talk about numbers. This event was like a bet on this region, a bet on you, a bet on the companies. But now, today, I can say this was a good bet. In fact, we had 64 call for papers proposals, between which we choose 10 sessions. And so now we have 13 speakers, then 5 sponsors, then 6 between partners and supporters, and most important, 142 participants. But nothing would be possible alone. I could count on the help of a great team, great friends, also a great husband-to-be, and also on the support of my family and on the Vox and Voxxed Days family that helped me during these 5 months. And so please give a big applause to the team. Oops. Well, now let's talk about speakers. We have to thank also all of them for their session and their effort. And unfortunately, the red one, we had to replace them because of this very uncertain situation with COVID and Ukraine war. And also, we have another change in the schedule that is pretty new news. It's about Heather Vancura. Today, she could not be here, and she couldn't manage to record a session. So the last 20 minutes of her slot will be put inside the Simone Bordet talk. So please, a big applause also for the speaker. And last but not least, we have to say a huge thank you to the sponsors. With their help, I was able to buy a lot of stuff for you and make this a great event. So thank you very much to Generali, to Yoroi, to Traces International, to Esteco, to Ernie Durdevic. It's not easy to trust and believe in the first edition of something. So really, very, very thank you. And also I want to thank Ernie, my friend, because he is the one who pushed me to start CrazyDev, and he helped me at the beginning. So also a big applause to the sponsors. And also, I have to thank the partners and supporters because they helped me with marketing, with spreading the news. Now let's talk about the sponsor collection. You will see here on your badge, on the back of your badge, a little green section. This is a little game I created just to encourage you to go to the sponsors' desks. So how it works? Near the cafeteria, there are 3 desks of the sponsors. Just go there, talk to them, and they will give you a sticker with their logo. You just paste it here, and when you collected all of them, just find me or find me someone else with this t-shirt, other members of the venue staff, and we will give you a reward. Then some practical info. First, please wear your mask inside the venue, because it's mandatory, unfortunately. About Wi-Fi, check on the back of your badge, the connection info. Then, this is very important, please rate the talks. You will find all information inside the little book of the event on your welcome bag. And yeah, we really need your feedback on it, so please do it. And you can vote using the mobile app or using the website. If one of the other doesn't work, just use the other. Then another important thing, at the end of the day, please rate the whole event. You will find inside the little book of the event, on the last page, you will find a QR code leading to a form. And here you can write down some feedbacks and you can rate everything. So I will really need it to improve. Then about food and beverage. You will have breakfast, lunch at the cafeteria. And whenever you want, you can go there and ask for coffee and water. And yeah, keep your badge visible, because you will need it to take your meal box. And breakfast will be right after the keynote. And then, about keynote. Unfortunately, Mario could not be here, so Daniele will take his place in doing the keynote. But before giving the stage to Daniele, I want to give you a suggestion. So we are here in person after a lot of time. I suggest you to use this event to learn, to have fun, but especially to talk with people that you don't know yet, to talk with sponsors, to talk with speakers, to talk with us, because you never know what can happen. If I'm here today, it's just because in 2018, I was attending a huge conference in Milan for software developers, and there was Mario Fusco at the end, during the meet and greet, taking a beer. So I went there, I started to talk to him, and after we kept in contact, and after a few years, he talked to me about Voxxed days, and now I'm here. So please do it, because it's worth it. And then, Daniele, the stage is yours. Thank you.